time for a woodworking contest. Are you ready? Hi, I'm Ron Paulk, and this is the Smart Wood Shop. If you'd like to get a set of plans to build one of my workbenches or the Smart Wood Shop, you can click on the link in the description of this video down below. It'll take you over to the smartwoodshop.com where you can get the plans and download them immediately. Also, we have a few affiliate links, including Amazon. If you purchase your tools there from my store, they'll share a little bit with us without charging you any extra, and it helps pay for these videos. It's been a long time since I've had a contest, a woodworking contest. In fact, so long ago, it was when Emily Adams Parallel Guides won. She got a nice drill from Festool. They helped sponsor that woodworking contest. It's ironic that Emily Adams Parallel Guides pop up again, all because Colin Brown took the most difficult part of making these in the shop for yourself and printed them on his 3D printer. You liked them so much that he offered to make them available to you at a pretty low cost. So he sent his updated blocks, and I demonstrated them, showed them to you before. I've got them already attached here to the set that I had built in the wood shop 4 years ago. Being the great guy that he is, Colin sent me 2 extra sets of these blocks to give to 2 of my subscribers. So we're going to do this by having a jig competition, just the way we did when Emily Adams won 4 years ago. The competition will be exactly like 4 years ago. You need to submit a design, some sort of design that augments the tools that we all use day in and day out. For your track, like Emily did, I would have never thought about doing this in a million years. This was such a great idea, and it was shared with all of you. Maybe a jig or fixture for your plunge-based router or your fixed-based router, or maybe for your router table, your drill. If you use the Festool domino, something for that. Maybe your jigsaw, maybe it's your miter saw, maybe it's your table saw. Doesn't really matter, just some unique fixture. It can be even something that's commonly known, but you've got a take on it that improves it, makes it a little bit better. Provide a short video that shows it, shows how to use it. If you have a little bit on how to build it, that'd be great. But the main thing is to demonstrate it, to show it in use, and maybe just a quick spiel about what it does and why you like it. It doesn't need to be really long, exhaustive. You send me the video, we'll do that through Dropbox, and then I'll take it, I'll do some editing, and I'm going to put up in either a long video, or I'll put them up as individual videos. But what I'm gonna do is have you, my subscribers, vote. So you're gonna pick the winners of these. So we're gonna have a first place and a first place. We're not really gonna do first, second, third. It's just gonna be the top 2 that get the votes will get Colin's blocks, and then I will mail them through the Postal Service to you. I'm really looking forward to seeing your ideas. Now, they will become publicly available. Everybody who sees them will have the opportunity to build it for themselves. And depending on what it is, I may do a video of building it in the shop. So the winner or winners, I may contact you for a little more information so I can build it, much the way that I built Emily's and showed you all how to do it. So this isn't something that we're going to make plans for and sell or anything like this. It's just going to be freely available to my subscribers, ideas that we can share with each other. I cannot wait to see all of your creative ideas. Hey, if you like these videos, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And remember, when you subscribe, to ring that little bell, because it's the only way you'll know when I drop a new video. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Wood Shop. Stay safe and have a great day.